Lord, she is saying, Lord, that some loan has been taken in her name, Lord, and that may kindly be directed, Lord, to be paid.
लोन लिए आप क्या नाम पे?
जी सर, इसमें साथ में
तो लोन लिए हैं क्या?
जी
तो लोन कौन पटाएगा? कौन से बैंक से?
दो जगह से है, फुंडू डिहारी और एक तो उनसे ही पूछिए, वही बता पाएंगे।
तो आप इसको बताएगा?
कहाँ से ले? कितने का लोन है?
फुंडू डिहारी से
50,000 का लोन था,
दो
एक ही
जगह
बैंक
से।
है इनके नाम से।
How that will be easy guarantor in? How that order or judicial order can be that loan will be paid by, this is governed by the Contract Act. Easy guarantor under section 128 में फिर extend कर देंगे, section 128 में co-extensive and joint and several ये लिख के and co-extensive with each other बोल के.
But he doesn't know, my lord. He doesn't know that he was a guarantor. Not the loan was taken in her name. He does not know right now. He is stating.
लोन कहाँ से, किस चीज के लिए लेते हो?
हाँ है,
Construction of a shop, my lord.
वो पे हो गया क्या?
3 में कुछ बचा हुआ।
कितना बचा है?
Exactly doesn't know, my lord. Exact amount.
ये कुछ पेपर है? ये सब अभी क्या मतलब लास्ट मिनट में सपना आया क्या?
पूरा हो चुका
पूरा जब ऑर्डर डिक्टेट कर दिया अचानक कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम दिस स्लम्बर. Will not dispose of them. Then something new has come.
No, it was, if I may submit, my lord, when I had asked, I was present at the time of mediation, my lord. I had asked if any other conditions is to be enacted in the Samjhauta Path. She didn't state any. Otherwise, I would have mentioned, Lord, before the mediator the conditions also.
Actually,
Because all the
it's
conditions
okay.
were.
It's a fair submission. All of a sudden, last moment. एक और पैरा. During the course of submission, it is stated that certain loan has been obtained by the husband in name of the wife. 2 loans have been obtained in husband in name of the wife.